In today's video, I'll teach you exactly when to use prefer, would rather, and had better to avoid grammar mistakes, okay? Take a look at this. You blank not touch that hot pan. Which of them do you think will be perfect in this sentence? Is it prefer, would rather, or had better? Can you guess? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you will understand exactly when to use them, okay? Now let's begin with prefer, and I'll pick out sentences here as our examples. We use prefer when talking about general preference. So we use prefer to talk about something that is a general preference, or we can say it's your habit. To use it in a sentence, we have a particular structure for it. After prefer, the next thing should be a noun. So when you use prefer, a noun should follow it. And after that, the preposition to, then another noun. This is the structure. Note that the noun can also be a gerund. A gerund is an ing verb. Okay, so if you have a gerund here, after to, you must have another gerund here. Now, let's pick out some examples here so that you understand exactly what I mean by this, okay? First is number 3. They blank watching movies to playing. You can see we have a gerund here. This is an ing verb. We have the preposition to. Then another gerund, an ing verb. So they prefer watching movies to playing. General preference. Their general preference is to watch movies. We can also say it is their habit. Next is number 6. He blank reading books to playing games. You can see we have a gerund here after the word prefer. The preposition to must come in before another gerund. Okay? He prefers reading books to playing games. Next is number 8. Sarah blank cats to dogs. This is Sarah's habit or her general preference. She does not just prefer cats now, it is her habit. So prefers. Sarah prefers cats to dogs. This means that Sarah generally likes cats more than dogs. Next is number 11. I blank studying in the morning to studying at night. I prefer studying in the morning to studying at night. This is our gerund, ing verb. And after the to, the preposition, we have another gerund. So using prefer here is perfect, okay? Now let's look at the next one, would rather. Would rather still talks about preference or choice. But in this case, it is about the choice you make at a particular time or a particular situation. So we use would rather for choice at a particular time. Now, for prefer, it is the choice you make generally, which is like your habit. But you will use would rather for choice that you make at a particular time or situation. Okay? The structure for would rather is, after would rather, you have the base verb. So this is for would rather. Now let's pick out examples from here so you understand exactly how to use it in a sentence. Okay? The first is number 2. She blank stay indoors today because it's raining. Here you can see that it's about someone's choice in this situation. And what is the situation? It's raining. So she would rather stay indoors today because it's raining. This is her choice for only today. It is not her general habit to be staying at home. Next is number 7. We blank eat at home tonight. We would rather eat at home tonight. What this sentence suggests is our choice for tonight. So this is our choice for only tonight. It is not our general habit. Next is number 10. They blank travel by train than by bus for this trip. Would rather is correct to use here. This sentence suggests that it is their choice for the trip. Their choice for just this trip. It's just their preference for only this trip. It is not a habit. Okay, we have one last question here, which is also for would rather. I'd blank walk than wait for the bus. Here, this D represents would. When you see this, it means I would. Okay, so we only need to add rather in this place. I'd rather walk than wait for the bus. You can see we already have than in this place. Than goes with rather. Since we already have would here, the sentence is, I would rather walk than wait for the bus. This is my choice, just for this moment. So this is my choice for this moment. Okay, now let's look at the last one, which is had better. We use had better to give strong advice. So when you want to give strong advice or warning, use had better. After had better, the next thing should be a base verb. This is for had better. Now let's pick out our examples from here so you will understand the explanation and exactly how to use it in a sentence, okay? First is number 1. It's getting dark. We blank head home now. This is about strong advice or warning. So we had better head home now. Before we go on, note that had better often suggests that something bad may happen if the advice is ignored. Next is number 4. You blank not touch that hot pan. You had better. You had better not touch that hot pan. You can see that it is dangerous if you touch that hot pan. So this suggests strong warning for someone not to touch the pot because it is hot. Okay, next is number 9. You blank take an umbrella. It might rain later. You had better take an umbrella. This suggests that if the advice is ignored, the result may be negative because it might rain later. That means the weather must have changed, and that is the reason for the strong advice. Now the last one, 12. She blank tell the truth before the teacher finds out. I want to leave this one for you to answer in the comment section. Figure out the answer. Should it be prefer, would rather, or had better? Type your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next grammar class.